stuff. I'm saying I've been hearing some stuff in my house. Shut up! Shut up!
Thomas J. Henry is a team of skilled company vehicle accident attorneys ready to fight for you. Thomas J. Henry, the name you know, the firm you trust.
The Good Feet store just really helped me out. I mean, they gave me the right arch support for my feet, not somebody else's feet. Then it was like, okay, this is something special.
See for yourself with the free personalized arch support fitting at the Good Feet store.
Here's how you can get
That's where I've been hearing it.
shave ever. Meet the Baldy Pro.
That's where I've been hearing
This
it.
head and face shaver boasts a 10,000
Oh,
RPM,
no.
as well as smooth shave and mess-free technology, allowing for a fast, cut-free shave that will keep your bathroom counter as neat as can be. I even stole my husband's to use on my legs. This is the perfect grooming tool any man would be lucky to have.
I don't know where to go.
Shop now.
Kitchen.
www.grooming.com.
Kitchen. Nothing.
Stay comfortable all year long with American Standard air conditioner from First Home Plumbing and
Oh,
reliable
that was nothing.
built to last because your comfort matters. Call First Home Plumbing and AC today for your free AC replacement estimate.
What is?
Weather window presented by
I'm
the
hearing some stuff in this
This thunderstorm
house.
lit up the skies over Nashville at sunset on Monday, while in Charleston, South Carolina, a towering thunderstorm 20 miles away casted huge
Permanent.
shadow on the cirrus clouds above.
Permanent.
Up in the sky, it's not immediate, but the International Space Station flying over Chattanooga, Tennessee, on a blue, yellow, and orange sky leading from Washington State.
Listen to Off the Radar, winner of the National Headliner Award for Best Information Podcast.
Okay, here you go. Whether you like them
Oh my
bone-in, boneless, plain, or with some bit of flavor, don't feel a big change.
You're asking why?
You know it's all
I
praise
did
right
that.
now. Today's a perfect day to indulge as well because when you know it, it's National Chicken Day. There are multiple places.
Did it because I'm gonna come.
Buffalo Wild Wings offering
Let's do this stuff later.
$10 a Wingstop offering 5 free wings, all by order. Hooters Meantime offering 10 free wings.
They're right here.
Burgers offering a buy one, get one free deal when you buy a 9-piece through their app.
I don't even know where I am.
Popeyes and 7-Eleven have a few different BOGO deals going on. Be aware of some of those code or not. The chicken wing debate is spicy hot on our Facebook page. We wanted to know where you think the best wings in San Antonio are. Here are some of the hot takes.
All right, Steven says over at 3-Star Bar. Somebody else says Pockets and Anchor Bar.
I see a couple people posting Wayne's.
Wayne, oh, Virgin Wayne is pretty good.
Yeah, and I like Robbie says the backyard grill.
There you go.
Bring us some. Yes, yeah, a lot of people posted things.
I don't know. Well, we had this discussion earlier. Wings are messy to me. I like that.
Sorry, I dropped the camera.
Boneless wings, wings. A lot of people don't. Yes. I don't care. It's not value.
An accident with a company car,
Oh,
truck,
wow.
SUV, van, or fleet vehicle.
Almost wearing.
Thomas J. Henry, the name you know, the firm
Thanks.
you trust. Chris
Get off! You're gonna pop.
with your most accurate forecast.
Stupid ass.
Lemony?
How's business out here?
See you next update.